Hey, and welcome to the Shine Club. This episode is about lymphatic drainage, and this is a really important part of the antiparasitic protocol. You cannot skip it, and you should do it ideally before the parasitic cleanse starts. This is in order to open the pathways and to eliminate any toxins and fluids faster. And this can help you to get healthier, to get leaner, to get shinier. So it's recommended to anyone really. And it should be part of your healthcare routine, and you should do it in the mornings, ideally directly on the skin. So you can do it by massaging the lymphatic nodes, which are on multiple points of the body, like groin area, behind your knees, and you should massage it daily, and it feels really good, so you can incorporate into your daily healthcare routine. So that's one part, and you can also use dry brushing. Besides these two, you can also do bouncing on its own, which is great. And also you can get trampoline. Somebody gets mini trampoline because they have less space in the garden. And also you can do sauna, which is a really pleasant way to open up the pathways. So somebody uses also vibration plate. I haven't tried it yet personally, but it looks really good and many people are praising about it. So look into that. And the most important bit, what I want to talk about it, is colon cleanse. So the best way to have a massive opening in the pathways is a professional colon cleanse clinic. Instead of doing the home kits, what you can get at home, the anema kit, which is just a bag with a cable, and you can get that one as well, or you can have the little kit with the pump. But the best is to go to a professional colon cleanse clinic, because they can remove the excess buildup which was building up for decades, and it can have enormous effects, because those area was just literally untouched, and it was building up for decades. So all that blockage means that the parasites are hiding behind it. So once you open the pathway, then and you start the antiparasitic protocol, these parasites will be able to go out faster from your body. So this is a really, really crucial step, and I would start any antiparasitic protocol with a colon cleanse clinic. So you can do the colon cleanse clinic, and you can also do the heavy metal detox at the same time, because you want to eliminate as much toxins from the body as you can before you start the antiparasitic cleanse. So colon cleanse are a great way, and also you can do coffee enemas. Somebody uses also iodine and other fiber elements, and there are multiple ways what you can do in recipes, but I will try them, to be honest, all of them. So at the moment I'm just planning my steps one by one, so you can follow my journey if you're interested in this. And I want to make sure that people do it in the proper way, because if you don't open these pathways, then you just doing it the wrong way, and you can get the Herx reactions. So it's really crucial to start the lymphatic drainage daily with massaging, with dry brushing, and use all the tools available ideally to make the most of your lymphatic nodes and to make them work and to get the circulation boosted. So these are the top tips what I have, and if you have any more, please let me know in the comments. And I would like to see you in the next episode. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.